Go. Okay, I'm going to show you how to do some shaving foam marbling. Maybe you could use it to make an Easter card. So you need to get a tray and some shaving foam, and you're going to put lots and lots of shaving foam into your tray, like that. Okay, we're going to smooth it out a little bit so that it's covering our tray. Smells lovely. Okay, then we're going to get some paint, and we're just going to dribble paint into our shaving foam. Anywhere you want, any colours you want, make it lovely and bright and cheerful. Okay, I'm going to just put a little bit of purple on as well, because I do like purple. Okay, then I'm going to get a knife, and I'm just going to draw some lines, not mix up the paint too much, just make some patterns through it, like that. Okay, then I've got some card that I've cut into an Easter egg, and I'm going to press it into the shaving foam, like that. It's really squidgy and really lovely. Press it down nice and hard. Okay, then I'm going to take it off and use something flat to just scrape off all the shaving foam. Okay, keep it nice and straight. Scrape it all off. And there we go. We've got a beautiful marbled Easter egg.